Good morning students. Today class I am going to continue the exercise number 5.5. Already I complete the exercise number in 1.5.5. I complete the first sum and the third sum. Both the sums are based on the parabola. Again this video also I am going to teach the sum based on the parabola only. Rightward, leftward, upward and downward. Now we are going to see the question number 4. What is the question number 4? Depends upon the question. What is the given data? We draw the diagram. Afterwards, whether the type is upward or downward or rightward or leftward. We are going to see that one. So what is that fourth sum? An engineer designed a satellite dish with a parabolic cross section. The dish is 5 meter wide. The opening mouth of the dish is for the, remember the satellite, just imagine the satellite. So imagine the satellite. What is the dish of the satellite is 5 centimeter wide. That the opening mouth is nothing but what? 5 centimeter wide at the opening. So and the focus is placed. Its focus is placed 1.2 meter from the vertex. From the vertex, the focus where it is, the focus is placed. The focus point is placed 1.2 meter from the vertex. What is the question itself given? The engineer designed a satellite dish with a here itself given parabolic cross section. So this is nothing but the sum is based on the parabola sum. So the engineer designed a satellite dish with a parabolic cross section. The dish is 5 meter wide at the opening. The opening mouth of the satellite is 5 meter wide and the focus is placed 1.2 meter from the vertex. From the vertex, the focus is where it is placed 1.2 meter from the vertex. What is the first question A? The position. Position a coordinate system with the origin at the vertex and the x-axis and the parabola. Parabola's axis is symmetry. So what is symmetry? Position of the coordinate system with the origin. Origin at the vertex and the x-axis. Origin at the vertex and the x-axis of the parabola and the axis is symmetry. And find the equation of the parabola. First we are going to find the equation of the parabola. What is the equation of the parabola in the satellite? In the satellite dish is given. What is the equation of the parabola from the satellite dish? Second one, find the depth of the satellite. Find the depth. The depth is nothing but height. Find the depth of the satellite dish at the vertex. From the vertex, what is height? Height is nothing but what? Depth. Find the depth of the satellite dish at the vertex. We will see, read the question. If the question is read properly means easily understand what type of problem. So this video class I am going to explain all the sums based on the parabola sums. For Monday and Tuesday video I am going to discuss about the parabola sums. For Wednesday we are going to start the class. Afterwards I continue the exercise number 5.5 based on the ellipse sum. So an engineer designed a satellite dish with a parabolic cross section. The dish is 5 meter wide at the opening and the focus is 1.2 meter from the vertex. First we are going to find the equation of the parabola which are in symmetry. Position of the coordinate system with the origin at the vertex and the x-axis and the parabola's axis of the symmetry. Parabola's axis of the symmetry. Find the equation of the parabola. Now we are going to first find the equation of the parabola. Next question, find the depth of the satellite dish at the vertex. Now listen, from the figure, the parabola is open rightward. From the figure or from the given data. Otherwise from the given data, the parabola is what? Open rightward. What is the vertex? Vertex is nothing but what? Origin. Vertex is nothing but the origin. What is the focus? Focus is what? 1.2 meter, 0. What is mean by A? A is nothing but what? Distance between the vertex and the focus. What is the A? A is nothing but A equal to distance between vertex and focus. That is A. A is nothing but what? What is A? A is nothing but a distance between the vertex and the focus point. This is nothing but, this distance is nothing but what? Focus. What is the question itself given? The focus is 1.2 meter from the origin. Therefore the focus is 1.2 meter, that is x-axis 1.2, y-axis 0. 1.2 meter from the origin. Vertex is what? 0, 0. That is nothing but this is also on the origin. Next, what is the depth? Depth is nothing but what? We are going to find VP. Before we are going to VP is what? Depth of the dish. VP. from the vertex to the focus, what is the point, opening mouth. So first before we are going to find the depth of the vertex, now we are going to find out what equation of the parabola. First question asking for position of the, what is the, find the equation of the parabola from the vertex. Now listen here, this is the parabola. Parabola is open rightward. Next, parabola is open rightward. Open rightward, what is the formula? Y square equal to 4ax. Equation of the parabola is what? Y square equal to 4. This is open rightward. Therefore, equation of y square equal to 4ax. What is a itself given? What is a? A is nothing but what? 1.2. A is 1.2 given. What is a here? It's right. A is nothing but what? Distance between the vertex and the focus. F is the focus, V is the vertex. Therefore, given itself A equal to 1.2 meter. Now, y square equal to 4 into 1.2 into x. Now, y square equal to 4.8 into x. Y square equal to 4.8x is the required equation of the parabola. This is nothing but answer for the first one. What is the question asking? Find the equation of the parabola. Therefore, what is the rightward? What is the parabola is open rightward means y square equal to 4ax. A is question itself given. What is A? A is nothing but what? 1.2 meter. Substitute in the equation y square equal to 4 into 1.2 into x. That is y square equal to 4.8 into x is the required equation of the parabola. What is the second question asking? Find the depth of the parabola. Find the depth of the satellite. That is the parabola. Parabola is nothing but in the shape of the satellite. Find the depth of the satellite. Now we join it. What is the position here? This is 2.5. Because question is given itself the dish is 5 meter wide at the opening. The question is given the dish is 5 meter wide at the opening. Therefore, the opening is what? 5 meter. So this is the opening. The opening part is 5 meter. So we take what? This is what? Half of them we split into. This is what? 2.5 meter. Here also what? 2.5 meter. This is the opening wide is what? 5 meter. Now listen. This is what is the point? Q point. This is what point? P point. This is nothing but what? The opening mouth. Opening of the focus is what? 5 meter. So the upward region is what? 2.5. Downward region is what? 2.5. So what is this one? This is nothing but y-axis. What is our origin? Origin is 0. The x coordinate is what? 0. Y coordinate is what is height? 2.5. x1, 2.5. Now we are going to find the height PQ. What is the depth of the parabola? This depth we are VP from the vertex. What is the question asking? Find the depth of satellite's dish at the vertex. From the vertex to the satellite. What is the depth? So we are find out from the distance between vertex and P, V and P. So what is the x1 coordinate? This is taken as P, this is Q, x1 is x1, 2.5. Now we are going to find the VP only because PQ is given what? 2.5. PQ is nothing but what axis? Y axis. VP is x axis. Now we are going to find the x unit because we are going to find the x1. X1 is nothing but what? Depth of the parabola. This is nothing but the depth of the, this is what I write? Depth of the dish. DEPTH, depth of dish. That is this length. What is this? This is taken as what? x1. So x1 is what? Y x-axis. That we know we are going to find it. Y is nothing but what? 2.5 meter. Now to find the depth. So what is the point? The point Q x1, 2.5 lies on the parabola. The point Q of x1, 2.5 lies on the parabola. Substitute in the above equation. What is the above equation? Equation of the parabola is just now we find y square equal to 4.8 into x. So we are going to find the Q coordinate. Q coordinate we don't know the x1 x value. So just we are find out the x value. We are from the vertex to the point P is nothing but what? Depth of the dish. That point is we are going to find. What is the given equation? What is the equation of the parabola? Equation of the parabola. What is the equation? This is nothing but what? Equation of parabola. Equation of the parabola is what? Y square equal to 4.8 into x. What point we are going to substitute? Substitute the point Q. Q is x is equal to x1, y is equal to 2.5. X is equal to x1, y is equal to 2.5. The coordinate Q is nothing but what? Q is what? X1 comma 2.5 or X comma X or X1 comma. So y square equal to 4.8 into X. Now substitute, instead of X you substitute X1, y equal to 2.5. So instead of y, what is this? Is X, this is y value. Instead of y substitute what? 2.5 the whole square equal to 4.8 into X1. Instead of X you substitute X1. Instead of y you substitute what? 2.5. So 2.5 whole square is nothing but what? 6.25. 2.5 into 2.5 is what? 6.25. Calculation is very easy for you. If you understanding means calculation is very easy for you. So 6.25 equal to 4.8 into x1. We need x1 value. Now x1 equal to 6.25 divided by 4.8. So 6.25 by 4.8. x1 equal to 6.25 4.8 into multiply and divide by 10 because we want to remove the point from the denominator. So multiply and divide by 10. So 62.5 by 48 equal to 1.30 meter. Now the equation of the parabola is what? Y square equal to 4.8x. What is the q point? The point q lies in the parabola x1 comma 2.5. Substitute x is equal to x1, y equal to 2.5. What is the value for instead of y? Substitute 2.5 the whole square equal to 4.8 into x1. Now 2.5 whole square is what? 6.25 equal to 4.8 into x1. Now x1 equal to what is x1? 6.25 by 4.8. Now x1 equal to 6.25 by 4.8. You want to remove the point. So multiply and divide by 10. So multiply and divide by 10. What happened? 62.5. You remove the point. Multiply. Remove the point the right side. So what? 62.5 by 48. So what is the answer getting? After dividing we get what? 62.5 divided by 40 we get what? 1.30 meter. So therefore what is the depth of the satellite? Depth of the satellite is what? 1.30 meter. So if the diagram is very important for you. If you read the question after draw the diagram. How to draw the diagram? This is what axis? X axis. This is y axis. If you draw the parabola in the open rightward curve. Parabola is what? Open rightward curve. Vertex is what? 0, 0. What is the focus point is given? 1.2 meter from the vertex. Therefore, focus is 1.2, 0 because this is x axis. X value is 1.2. Y is there is no value. There 1.2, 0. What is